Kona. And we're going to show you how to remove all of your interior. Listen to my podcast. Lights. So here we're going to have this one. And this was pushed in. Oh, come on. Had to manhandle it. So you got to go in the headliner and pull this, push that in to get to this light. So what this is, no clue. We're going to get it out by squeezing this right here, and this pops it out with both hands. Now I'm gonna go get a tool and show you how to get it out. So I'm going to squeeze down this tab, this one over here where my thumb is, and grab this to pull it out. And let's see what it is. Alright, so it's easy to push this down and grab from the top section right here. That makes it so much easier to pull out. You see? Because it's still in there. So let's get it out. Here's something easier. Just squeeze this, right? So you can pull this out in your hand and then do it in your lap. What this is, no idea. Let's see if I can get a better picture of this. Nope, can't tell, but we will find it online and put it in the description. So that's one of them. Let's move on to the next one. So it's easier to put the top in first, pull this out with a little line in it. That's what we're going to do. It makes it so much easier. So putting it in, put the hole in first, and then it slides right in. So let's plug it back in and call it a day. Let's move on. Now this one, actually quite easy. Tool, clap on, and we pop this out of the socket. Alright, so that reveals the bulb. You can just grab in your hand and pull out towards you. And let's see what this is. This is the bigger version of these little... You have fun trying to read that, but we're gonna sit there and try to find something online for you guys. Make sense? Alright, let's put it back. The flat side is sideways. So, watch. You see, the flat side is sideways. It's kind of tight doing it with one hand. There you go. This is the same one that's in the front. Oh, lost it. Where'd you go? Yeah, I'll find a whole packet of these. It's much easier to buy a whole packet of them. Put it right back in. There you go. No, should be LED. That's what we're shooting for. This, same way. Another one right here behind the mirror. And we'll find our little tool. Same way over here. Come over here, push this in, and pop this out. It's so much easier with two hands, but we'll get it with one. Same thing. Again, easier with pulling this out towards you from the little line that's grooved in the copper. Now we have this one left. Let's show you how to pull it out. It's kind of a pain, but I don't want to put it back in to show you. But here's how it works. This is plugged in. Right, we'll pretend this is plugged in. This hook right here goes up into the plastic. Okay, so you want to grab it from here, push from under, and pop it out. Because again, the top part is, or it's the bottom part. Uh-oh. Nope, it's backwards. See how it just snapped itself back in? You can sort of see the slit going in here. That's how you want to pop it out. Then unplug it so it's not so hot. And look, one-hander, baby. Now you want to go in between this little groove right here and pop this little indent out. That's what you want to do. It's kind of a pain, but let me start it and I'll show you. So you see, because it's on a curve, it's on a curved end. You see how it's starting to pop out? It's kind of a pain, but you really want to get in there and just turn it as you go. One hand ain't happening. You gotta grab it with both. Once you grab this side out, it'll pop out. You see, a little gnawing at it, but it pops out. And then Amazon, baby, Amazon. Whatever this is. These all look to be the same, by the way. I can't tell what this is with the wonderful lighting that we have. Does that say Kia? I don't know. Can't tell. But we'll find it online. So let's put it back. Snap it back. There you go. Gotta hear a snap. Crackle and pop. So there you have it. That's the cargo. Now let's do the license plate lights, because that should be the last of the incandescent lighting. Okay, so this is a little tricky. This is, I grabbed it from here and I grabbed it with this on the other side. So we're both going in, but technically this is here. Now, let me show you how to actually fight this thing, because it does have a way to come out. So that's what you're fighting. You're fighting this guy right here. That's really what you're actually fighting. This is what keeps the pressure and tension in this. So you see how the top goes in first? So you really want to fight toward the back end to pop that out. So you can pop this out in your hand. Then, with one hander, baby, or not, you just turn it out. Then you got this guy. I think these are like 991s or something like that. And again, we'll put a link in the description. Can't tell. Too clear. But we'll figure it out. So there you have it. Like it? Don't like it? I'm gonna put this guy back. Share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.